welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be about beauty and pampering. As it is said, even if it's not, I am saying it. Beauty always overflows. That's why I'm going to make series of this video, and this is going to be the part 1. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this first part, I am going to tell you all how to make coffee scrub at home and pamper yourself. For that, we need 3 ingredients: coffee, sugar, coconut oil or olive oil. Talking about the first ingredient, which is coffee, I would prefer filter coffee than the ready-made or the instant coffee, because instant coffee dissolves easily into the mixture and makes the scrub very sticky after some time, while the filter coffee does not dissolve easily into the mixture and makes a good scrub. Second ingredient is sugar. Any type of sugar can be used, even the one which is used on daily basis, but I would say finer the better. And the third ingredient is coconut oil. Even olive oil is preferable and it's good for the skin, but in this video I am going to use pure virgin coconut oil. Now let's mix the ingredients. This scrub can be used for the entire body, but here I am going to take the quantity which is enough for my face. I am going to take this empty bowl and add half tablespoon of filter coffee. Then I am going to add 1/4 tablespoon of sugar to the mixture. It's preferable to add little less sugar than the coffee. And finally, half tablespoon of coconut oil. Do not use dry mixture because it can be harsh on your skin. That's why add oil till both the ingredients get soaked into the oil. And then the final step, mix. You all will know when it's ready because it should look like a paste. You can see this, it should look something like this. And now is the major task. Finally it's ready and let's apply it. Before you start to use the mixture, wash your face and hands with normal or lukewarm water. So let's get started. Take little amount of mixture on your hands and start applying it to your face. Use circular motion and be gentle. You don't want your skin to get ripped off, right?
Do this at least for 2 minutes.
While applying this mixture, avoid your eyes because they are much more sensitive than the rest of your face. So finally, once it's done, wash your face with mild face wash. So I'll be back. But as I say, beauty hacks work differently for each one of us because we all have beautiful and unique skin. So always test before you try. So this was it for the part 1 of this beauty series. Stay tuned for the part 2. Until then, like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end.